Jennifer Nicole. You've seen these books. Now you're seeing my 16th book. It's available now on Kindle. In a few days, we'll be launching it in paperback. How do you get it? Just download the Kindle app. Click on there. And you just want to then download, reclaim, and unleash your VIP power. As you can see right there, it's only $2.99. With this purchase, you get the complete book. Plus, you get a 50-page food plan, which is 14 days. Look, it's very interactive. You have self-assessment portions, what you need to do to really feel and look your best, and reprogram yourself for success. This is a great read. It's going to get you totally ready for 2020, as I have 2020 vision. And when you get to the food portion, you're going to be able to download right here the 53-page food plan. As you can see, it's full color. You're going to want to get this. I'm excited.